It seems like every day more and more children are diagnosed with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. In fact, 5% of Canadians aged 4 to 17 have ADHD, and the numbers are increasing. Many parents turn to ADHD medications to help their kids improve their focus, attention, and impulsivity. But there are potential side effects to ADHD drugs, from trouble sleeping to loss of appetite and headaches, and that makes parents uneasy. However, there are additional ways children can be supported to better manage their ADHD symptoms. A recent breakthrough study led by Dr. Eduardo Barragan and published in the Journal of Attention Disorders compared a natural supplement called Equizin to methylphenidate-based ADHD treatments and showed that it can effectively help children with ADHD improve their concentration levels and reduce their ADHD symptoms while lowering the side effects of traditional medication treatments. Now available in Canada, Equizin offers a great alternative for parents who are reluctant to put their kids on conventional treatments.
The initial data is very encouraging and does suggest that there may be a role for essential fatty acids in particular products like Equizin. There may be a significant improvement in some of the side effects, a very commonly known side effect of stimulant medication, such as decreased appetite and difficulty falling asleep. Now that it has been published in a study form, so we had an opportunity to look at this a little bit more carefully, clearly shows that there was a significant reduction in the appetite suppression effects of methylphenidate when the omega-369 supplementation was taken in conjunction with the methylphenidate use. To me, that in itself is a big benefit.
Several other clinical studies back up the findings by Dr. Barragan. This new study, however, is groundbreaking because for the first time, a scientific study compared a natural supplementation with the commonly prescribed methylphenidate-based treatment. Compared to the conventional methylphenidate-based treatments, Equizin proved very effective, especially for children with the inattentive subtype of ADHD. For children already on medication, Equizin helped to lower the medication side effects. With a recent shortage of methylphenidate, it's comforting for parents to know that there are natural alternatives.
So my son was formally diagnosed with ADHD at age 3. He just turned 7. When we first got that diagnosis of the ADHD, we were devastated as a family. We weren't quite sure which route we were going to take. There were so many different options out there, and everybody's telling you different things, how you should treat your son and how you should school them and that sort of thing. So we just kind of came home and sat on it for a little bit. So since we've had Hayden on the Equizin, it's been night and day. He's excelling right now in his reading and writing. He wants to learn, where before he had no interest in it. With our family, Equizin has not only helped Hayden build that desire to want to learn and is helping him learn, but it's also helped our family in the sense that we've been able to go out for dinners, we've been able to put him into sports, to go to family functions and not have to panic about how his behavior is going to be. It can take up to 3 months to notice a difference. At week 7 was when we started noticing that, Hayden was being able to live his life happier and more full.
For many, many years, I have been faced with the dilemma and a question that parents have asked me: is there anything that I can use for my children when they have ADHD or similar conditions, and I don't want to use any medication? And I think if I have something to offer to them that is backed by science, I think that is the most exciting part, that finally I can say, yes, there is some scientific evidence coming out.
To learn more about alternative ADHD treatments, visit equizincanada.com.